How to know who viewed your Instagram profile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually view who viewed your Instagram profile. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So the first thing you want to understand is that unlike the TikTok app where it gives you the option of profile views, Instagram does not have a definitive option which lets you see who viewed your profile, but there are still a few workarounds around this. So make sure to watch this video till the end. The very first thing you want to do is make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. After you've updated it, I'm going to go ahead and then simply open the Instagram app on my phone. Once you open Instagram, the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now, the very first way you can actually know who viewed your Instagram profile is that let's say that you have a public account and that you constantly upload new stories onto your Instagram account. What happens is that if someone happens to visit your profile and if that person also views your story, because since yours is a public account, and you notice that person is not on your following list, it basically means that person has actually viewed your profile. That is simply the first way to work around it. As we said earlier, there isn't a definitive option on Instagram unlike TikTok, which lets you see who viewed your profile. Now, if this option is not convenient for you, then there is also another workaround around this issue. So what we have to do is we are going to hop out of Instagram, for example, and I will go ahead and simply open the Google Play Store application on my phone. So go ahead and simply open your App Store, let's say for example. Once you open your App Store, in the search box you want to simply search for the app called Who Viewed My Instagram Profile. So you have to go ahead and tap on Who Viewed My Instagram, and you can see this very first application which says Who Viewed Profile Instagram by the developer called My Stalker app. You have to go ahead and download this application. Once you download this application, I'm going to basically open it. And another thing you also want to do is you have to log into your account. If you don't give access to log into your account, this app will not be able to tell you who have viewed your profile. And after you log in, you can basically see some of the profile stalkers who has actually viewed our profile. There are some of the fans and friends and secret stalkers. So these terms basically means that if it's written friend, it means that that person has also followed you and you have followed them back. And if there is someone like fan or secret stalker, it means that they are not on a following list. But in order to view all of these people, you have to simply tap on see who is stalking you button at the bottom of the screen, and you have to pay a certain amount of fee in order to gain full access to your profile stalkers. So you could see it says after you upgrade to premium, you can see who looked in your profile, see who checked your photos secretly, as well as also see your secret followers unlimitedly. So you can see basically three plans, whether you want to pay $8 monthly or $3 monthly or $1 weekly. So you have to go ahead and simply select any of the options which is convenient for you, and go ahead and add a payment method to your app store and purchase the app, and you'll be able to view your secret profile stalkers. But in the free version, as we said earlier, you have to simply upload your story daily, and if someone happens to check your story, that way you can know who viewed your Instagram profile. We hope the video was really helpful, and I hope this video gave you some insights about the profile stalkers on Instagram. As we mentioned earlier, and I'm going to mention it again, Instagram does not have a definitive option unlike TikTok where it gives you the option of profile views. If this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and if you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.